Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have ZILLIQA daily update. We are going to see the next targets, and of course, before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Link in the description box and in the comment section. Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. You will get easy profits trading 200 altcoins through an automated system with buying and selling opportunities, a manual system with over 90% win ratio, personal guidance, educational videos, and many other benefits. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go right now and see ZILLIQA. So we had a pump over these last few hours. Okay, so what is next for ZIL? Can we go a little bit more higher right now? Can we maybe approach the 0.137 and so on? We will be seeing everything with every detail right now. Let's go into the technical analysis and the risk metrics. We have an overbought with the stochastic RSI, and overbought almost with the commodity channel index. You can see it is approaching the top line, which it will go a little bit higher. We will be having an overbought. Right now, the bullish RSI divergence is playing out. We had seen from 5 April towards the 12 April. That's why we had this pump, and that's why we are going upwards. And of course, though, we are still beyond the 50-day exponential moving average. Do we have many chances into going higher than this red line right here and eventually approaching all the way upwards? Let me just remove the drawings right here so we can see how did I draw my Fibonacci together, and you can see as well from which point I started. I started from here, from this top 11 April, ended up to this bottom on 13 April. Okay, and you can see that we have some very important resistance levels. I feel like ZILLIQA might be on its way higher. We are having some very important targets we are going to see, and of course we are going to see the daily frame as well. But first, let's see something important. Let's go to ZIL against Bitcoin chart. Right here we hold the 20-day exponential moving average, and we are having the stochastic RSI in an oversold. Same here with the Fisher transform. So eventually on the daily frame, ZILLIQA against Bitcoin chart could push itself even higher. Maybe we are going up to 0.50320. Maybe we can even manage to pull it off to the 0.50358. The first target will be here, and this is one of the most important, not if the most important target right there, the 0.50320. If we can manage to close above on the daily frame, this will mean that we will be going into the next price targets, which can be even the 0.50387. Okay, this is very important for ZIL, and of course ZIL against Bitcoin chart had continuous bullish RSI divergence here, as you can see, and this is the reason that we are going higher. But of course what we have to do next is to go and close above the 50-day MA, and not only close above but to remain above, to have a nice gap between the price and the 50-day MA. Okay, this will lead to further price action, because as you can see, every time we were pulling above the 50-day MA, we had a sell pressure. This is what happens into bearish markets. You can see every time here, and we do not know that if we have the same right now, but things are looking better in terms of the daily frame right now. Okay, in terms of pumping up on the daily frame. So eventually, this is the next price target right now that we are having, the 0.50320, and maybe the next ones as well. ZIL against USDT chart right now. What does this mean? Now 50-day MA is the resistance level, as you can see. It is very easy to approach this line as well, the 0.12018 and maybe the 0.12490. If we can manage to pull it off and close above the 0.12, we will go to the next target, and if we close above the 0.12490, we will be going to 0.13734. Okay, so literally ZIL can even move even higher, potentially into this high right here. We might be having a nice pump into this target, maybe a little bit higher. We will see about that, but let's take it step by step. Right now we are on the 50-day MA. That's why we had a mini sell pressure. You can see right here around this area that we have the 50-day MA. We have also a huge resistance level going on, but anyway, I feel like we are going to see some higher prices for ZIL, but take it step by step. If we close above the 0.12, you can go to the next target, and if we close above the 0.125, then we will be going to 0.137. Okay, this will be the case for ZIL. Right now the RSI can pump way more than the 70. This is good. However, commodity channel index already into an overbought situation as we are speaking. Okay, So on the 4-hour frame, this is it. On the daily frame, we have more room to grow. We have the stochastic saying an oversold. We have the Fisher transforming an oversold as well. The RSI is not, however, we can see some growth. Even the commodity channel index is not. We can see potentially some growth, but I would just prefer if you stick to the plan and if you have the target rate there, because as you can see, each time we were finding rejection and we were going down from the 50-day MA. Right now things might turn on our way, on ZILLIQA's way actually, but right now I would suggest, because we have a little bit of a high risk, just take these levels. But most important is that the most probable scenario is to go more higher right now, is to go higher for ZIL and to get towards the next price targets, which will be a sign of relief for all of us. Okay, so thank you for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription. You will take easy profits, you will join our beautiful community, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.